Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious margarita with Cointreau. First, gather your essential ingredients: fresh lime juice, Cointreau orange liqueur, and your favorite tequila. Decide if you'd like a salt rim on your glass and have plenty of ice ready. A cocktail shaker is also a must-have for this easy method. Now, let's mix. Pour 2 ounces of your preferred tequila into your cocktail shaker. Next, add 1 ounce of Cointreau, which provides that perfect orange essence. Finally, squeeze in 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice. Freshly squeezed makes all the difference for a vibrant taste. It's time to chill your drink. Fill your shaker completely with ice cubes. Secure the lid tightly and shake vigorously for about 15 seconds. This ensures your margarita is perfectly cold and well mixed. Then, strain the beautifully chilled mixture into your prepared glass over fresh ice if you prefer. Almost done. For a classic touch, garnish your margarita with a fresh lime wedge or a thin lime wheel. Serve your refreshing cocktail immediately to enjoy it at its peak. Take a moment to sip and savor the balanced flavors of your homemade Cointreau margarita. Cheers to your easy and delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.